Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Spectrum Mobile keeps saying SOS, iPhone and Android network tips. When your Spectrum mobile phone displays SOS or SOS only in the status bar, it means your device has completely lost its connection to the Spectrum network. While you can still make emergency calls through other available networks, your standard mobile data, texting, and call functions will not work. Fix 1. Force a network refresh, the quickest fix. Toggle airplane mode. Swipe down on Android or from the top right corner on iPhone to open your control panel. Now turn airplane mode to on and wait 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Toggle cellular data. Go to your network settings and turn cellular data/mobile data off. Wait a moment and then turn it back on. Fix 2. Cycle your cellular line or SIM card. For eSIM users, go to Settings, then go to Cellular iPhone or Settings and Connection and SIM Manager to Android. Turn your specific phone line profile off for 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. For physical SIM card users, turn off your device, use a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to pop out the tray, wipe the golden contacts cleanly with a microfiber cloth, slide the tray back in firmly and power the device back on. Fix 3. Check for system and carrier updates. iPhone carrier settings. Connect to Wi-Fi, then navigate to settings, then go to general, then go to about. Wait on the screen for 15 seconds. If an update is available, a prompt will appear asking you to click update now. System update. Ensure your operating system is up to date by going to settings, then go to general, then go to software update, iOS or system, then go to software update on Android. Fix 4. Reset network settings. On Apple iOS, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset network settings. On Google Android, head to Settings, then go to General Management, then tap on Reset and select Reset mobile network settings. Exact menus vary slightly depending on the brand. Fix 5. Check for local outages or activation issues. Account status. Ensure your payment or line registration went through successfully via the My Spectrum app. Tower outages. Spectrum Mobile runs directly on the Verizon infrastructure network. If there is a localized tower outage, your phone will remain stuck in SOS until the local nodes are fixed. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.